Hello and welcome to this instructional video. In this video I'm going to show you how to load a set of tools that are contained in a catalog into your PPR3. So again, to recall, you have your resource list at the bottom of the tree, and this is the model that you've been working with in this video series. There are two machine tool resources that have been added to the resource list. And these machine tool resources match up with the machine definitions in setup 1 and setup 2 respectively. But right now, as you can see, there are no tools in the resource list. So to assist you in creating tools and using tools, we've created various tooling catalogs for different classes. And the way you would access those tooling catalogs is through a toolbar that is not currently active. So what we're going to do is we're going to go under View on the main menu. Under Toolbars, we're going to temporarily activate the Auxiliary Commands toolbar. And this toolbar shows up on the screen. If you move the mouse over, there is an Open Catalog button, and then right next to it there is an Import/List Tools. There's a second button here that is used to import a tool list. So let's go ahead and select that button. And you should see a window appear which allows you to select a tool from a document. So you need to navigate using the options that are present here to the document that you want to import the tools from. These documents are catalogs essentially. So clicking on the little flyout, you will see a list of various catalogs that have been created, again for different classes, for different projects and so on. And we're going to load the MFGE 332_tool_ catalog. So let's highlight this catalog. You'll see that what's displayed here are a bunch of different tool types. And by clicking on the different tool types, you will see what's stored in the catalog under that tool type. So for example, under drill, there are 3 drills that are currently stored. If we go over to the end mill tool, you'll see that there are 3 end mills also stored. You go to the facing cutter, see that there's a facing cutter, and so on. So you can load each tool independently if you want to by just highlighting the tool and hitting the OK or Apply button. You do have the option though to load the whole catalog if you want to. And the way you would do this is you would go to the very last button here which says Display All Tools. So this shows you all the tools irrespective of type that are currently in this catalog. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hold down the Shift key, click on the last tool to highlight them all, and then hit the OK button. And if you get a message like this, you can just hit OK on this too. You should get a message that says that the tools have been successfully loaded. 13 tools in this case. And if you look now in the resource list, you will see that these tools have been added to the list. And these tools are now available for you to use as you start defining your operations. So again, this is a useful feature. These tools have been set up, the geometry has been specified, the default speeds and feeds have been set up for these tools, which again assists you in defining tools, selecting tools, and also it assists you in getting the process parameters for running those tools correct.